Hospitality Horizon World of Weddings Summit and Award 2024 took place on 27th April 2024 at one of the most sought-after wedding destinations, Noor Mahal Palace, Karnal. The panel discussion delved deeper into the meteoric rise of the wedding industry in India and the need the need of convergence of hoteliers, weddings and event planners to tap into the full potential of the industry. My colleague Akshit was in attendance and spoke with several luminaries of the industry. Take a listen.
My father had actually started in the early 90s after serving the country for 30 years, and he had started with Hotel Jewels. And after running that for about 20 years, 15, 18 years, is when he thought, the demand is there. So he thought of making Noor Mahal. And a lot of hard work and a lot of patience and market researches, market strategies have gone into making what Noor Mahal is today. It's like for a night like this, jahan par Noor Mahal is catering to 100 of the country's most elite hoteliers and restaurateurs. So it's a very happy moment for us that they've all come to a place like Karnal, number one, and they've also, I think Noor Mahal's name in the trade and also in the country is now at a stage where people are coming down to cities like this.
I would like to inform all Indians, the hotel industry has got a very bright future, and in times to come, especially the next decade belongs to us. Why next decade? I think the next 25 years belongs to us. As India is growing on tourism, not only domestic tourism, but also on international tourism. And we'll be proud to showcase our country to the foreigners now and let India be the number one destination, not only for weddings, but also for sightseeing and as a tourist.
See, what we do is, and where we go wrong as chefs is, and I'm not pointing fingers at anybody or the fraternity, but we try to impress a lot of people with use of nomenclature, with use of extremely fancy names. My issue lies with, these little things. Why are we ashamed of calling a kulfi? Why do we have to call it a condensed milk ice cream?
So it's called that.
So these are these little things that I have my issues with. Unfortunately, we've always been looking at the West. We looked for a turmeric latte to get popularized. And that's when we started understanding the importance of ancient wisdom. Our Dadi, Nani have been giving us haldi doodh for centuries now. But we waited for it to become a golden milk or a turmeric latte to kind of fancy it. So my issues lie with these little things. It's not about glamorizing anything. I think it's just about adapting names that we want the world to know them as. It's as simple as that. So a khichdi, I think let's feel privileged and honored to call it a khichdi and not call it a rice and lentil porridge.
Weddings in India are a 100% emotional affair. There is less commerce, there's less negotiation. It's pure emotion. And I think what we do successfully is that we address this at the emotional level. We understand and fully appreciate how important that one occasion is for not just the couple but the entire family. And that's where our success lies, and I think we are blessed that our guests have enjoyed our hospitality and they love Conrad Pune as a preferred wedding destination. Pune is not really a wedding destination where people plan and go like Udaipur or Jaipur or Thailand is, but Pune is unique. The weather is amazing. And the hotel, Conrad Pune in particular, with 350 rooms, 7 outstanding award-winning F&B outlets, a very large event space. I think we are a very well-packaged product, and our guests just love it.
Event industry, which is now being valued at almost 500,000 crores, is the youngest industry in the entertainment business. We're a young industry growing by leaps and bounds. The industry is providing employment to more than 10 million people. It is providing economic opportunities and business possibilities for people who are skilled, unskilled, anyone with a sense of entrepreneurship. The event industry is full of job creators and less job seekers. I think it's an awesome industry, especially for a country like India, which is becoming more and more eventful under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. So it's really awesome. that we as a country are growing up and reaching for the stars.
We are at World of Weddings Summit and Awards, and we have with us very special guest, Mr. Satyajit Krishnan, GM of Taj Hotels, New Delhi. Sir, I will start with, you said hotels are temples. So if you can just shed more light on that.
Sorry, I think hotels are multifaceted, and hotels are what you make of them. We have guests who come for multiple reasons, and for us, we welcome all guests, and we are very happy to have guests coming into our hotels, and for whatever reason they come. The idea for a hotel is to be a place of celebration and spread happiness. I think for all hoteliers, the biggest moment in their lives is when the guest walks out smiling. So for us, fundamentally, we're there, we exist to create happy memories for our guests, and that's what we do.
Initially, big weddings used to happen in big open spaces. But, as the times are changing and as the clients are changing, these millennials, the Gen Zs, they want, exquisity. They want something special. They want something personalized. They want something unique. So people have started coming back to hotels because now hotels have started offering all of those under one roof. Like, definitely what does, besides big venues, you need rooms to accommodate all these people. So it's always preferable that, a bride and a groom does not like to get decked up in some other place and then with all their jewelry and all their garments and all their designer wear, come all the way in a car. And so it's, when you're staying in a hotel, you're just coming down from your suite and, you're attending the wedding. Plus, it's more in a compact group, your friends, your relatives, and everything is there. The hotel has multiple dining options. The hotel has multiple facilities like spas and gyms and parlors that can cater everything under one roof. So that's the reason more and more hotels are getting to be preferred destination rather than these big convention centers and houses.
There are lots of things behind of the parties or events. We are getting lots of parties. Okay, we started before 3 years, and now we have 2 restaurants in London and in the central London. It's kind of, you can say, like Connaught Place of Delhi. That is the same central London. So we have lots of parties coming, and whenever we are getting party, there are lots of demand. It's not like a Indian culture in London. They have lots of demands about the food. And apart from that, there are lots of allergen or variety of the food they want. So whenever we are planning some new menu or new dishes for them, so always we kept in the mind, we need give them some vegan dishes maybe, or there are some gluten-free, or there are lots of allergen things. So always we are deciding on the demand on the guest, what they want. So we are planning something unique dish, like we have already something in our new menu, like confit cauliflower or rasmalai cake. So people aate hain aur khate hain aur they love it. They love it, yeah, definitely.
On that note, slipping into a very short break.
Predictor on 1xBet. Only on News X. Are you ready for the daily cricket show? Let's go.
अरे ममता, कहाँ जा रही है भरी दोपहरी में?
कहीं नहीं माँ, बस वोट डाल कर आई।
बाहर धूप देख रही है?
तुम इतनी कड़ी धूप में मीलों चलकर पानी लेने जाती थी, और आज हमारे घर में खुद पानी चलकर आता है। अरे माँ, जिसने घर तक नल से जल पहुँचाया है, उसको वोट देने के लिए धूप छाँव थोड़ी ना देखेंगे। चलो माँ, साथ चलते हैं।
जिसकी गारंटी ने जिंदगी संवारी, उसको वोट देने की गारंटी हमारी। कमल का बटन दबाएं, भाजपा को जिताएं।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.